Greetings to all. My name is Paul John, and this is my third e-record in the computer networks lab. And the topic given to me is based on subnetting and IP addressing and subnetting. Without further ado, let's um, move on to the questions that have been given to me. Here, I have not been asked to do a packet tracer stimulation. So I've been asked to solve the subnetting problems, and I've created a Word document with the questions. I've been given 5 questions. The first question is specifies that the address given is 200.175.14.0, and the subnets required is 3, and so obviously the usable host need is 45, and then the default subnet is /24. So custom subnet is 192, 255.255.255.192. That is, I have 4 subnets. That is because I have borrowed 2 bits, and the host is number of host bits is 12. So total number of host addresses is 2 raised to 12, and 2 raised to 12 minus 2 is the usable host addresses. And then this is the table. Um, this is the addressing table I've created. These are the networks available, and this is the last usable address range, and these are the broadcast addresses. In the second question, the required number of subnets is 10, and the given address is 172.159.0.0, and the address class is B, and default subnet mask is 255.255.0.0, that's 16, and then the custom subnet mask after borrowing 4 bits is 240.0, and the total number of subnets is 16. 2 raised to 4 is 16, and then the total number of host addresses 2 raised to 20, and then total number of usable addresses is 2 raised to 20 minus 2. The 20 is the number of host bits remaining, so like that 2 raised to 20 minus 2, and then the number of bits borrowed is 4. This is the addressing table I have created. I have given 4, like the first, second, and the 9th and 10th. The first is like 159.0.0, then it's 16.0, then 120.0, then 144.0. Next one. Then the third question is like they have specified that the usable host required is 50, and then the network address given is 172.159.0. Since the host required is 50, the without wastage, the number of host bits we will be needing is 6, because 2 raised to 6 is 64. That's the least number of hosts which satisfies the given condition. So when we are borrowing 6 bits, we are taking 6 bits as host bits, then the remaining, that is the 10 bits, can be used as network. So we'll be subnetting with 10 bits, and that's what I've done here. So it's like 1024 subnets will be there, and then the 2 raised to 6 is the total number of host addresses, and then 2 raised to 6 minus 2 is the total number of usable host addresses. Number of bits borrowed is 10. This is the table. It's like 59.0, then 59.16, then 59. Last one is 255. And then the fourth question is the diagram given, and we have to assign each of the sections, that's marketing, research, management, and the link, with subnets provided taken from the address given, that's 196.34.20.0, and the subnets required is 4, and the address class is C. Then default subnet mask is /24, custom subnet mask is 26. I'm borrowing 2 bits, so I get sharp 4 subnets, and then the number of bits borrowed is 2, and as you can see, I've given the marketing as 196.34.20.0, then as research as 34.20.64, and then management as 20.28, 128, and 20.192. This is 1 over here, 128, and then that's it. And the next question, in this question it's a bit different because as you can see, like we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need 5 network subnets, and so it's obvious for us to use 4 bits. I mean 3 bits, to borrow 3 bits. But the problem is if we borrow 3 bits, the remaining we get is like the host part will not be sufficient to support the given number of hosts. That's 150 and 325. It's not enough. So in that situation, what we do is we use a variable length subnet mask. That's VLSM. In this case, this address is cracked into two by borrowing just 1 bit, and then that one of those addresses is again cracked into two and is given to the rest the remaining addresses. From that again, it's again cracked based on the requirements, and hence that's what I've given here done here. For Dallas, which has the large number of hosts, for New York, which has large number of 325, I've given one part alone. That's the 2026.0.0. And for the other one, the Dallas, I gave 128.0. The remaining, now from this 128.0, I cracked it using subnetting and given to Washington as well as link 1, and the another one I have given to link 2. That's it. That's all about subnetting. And thank you all for listening. This hopefully everybody have understood the topic I have presented. Hopefully, if there is any errors, if there is anything you have to point out, please do contact me. My details have been my contact details have been given in my channel respectively, and please do subscribe. And so this is Paul signing out. Hopefully, see you guys in the next video. Bye. Once again, thank you all for watching. This is Paul signing off.